What's up, viewers? Today is New Last Make Awesome. We just went to the safari park. That was phenomenal.
We're going to be feeding their African tigers in 5 minutes.
Ready? Giraffe. Okay. He's not doing it.
Oh, give him a sec. Oh, there he is.
Hello? I think I want it. Can I pet it?
I wouldn't. He might bite. I don't know if he bites. Okay.
Is that where we did the drive-through thing? How do we not see the giraffes?
We did see him.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I thought slow were slow.
He is kind of slow. See how slow he's moving his arm around?
Well, that was pretty fast.
Well, I guess he got in his position. Close the first door before opening the second door. Oh, here's the entrance to the giraffes. Walk around. Okay.
So you can do this freely?
Yeah.
For free?
Oh, we already paid. We paid coming in. Okay, we've got to go in here. Gotta tell them what's happening. I think these birds are gonna get on you.
Okay.
Oh, do you need some of the bird food?
No.
Okay. Pick up one of these sticks.
It's empty.
That's okay, they don't know that. Christian, come and be still. one is on me. Be still. Okay, turn around a little bit.
Can you turn it around?
What's happening?
A bird's on me.
Yep, there he is.
Can you turn it around? I want to see.
Oh, now you've got another one. Oh, I've got one. Oh, you've got two. I've got two. I've got one.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Here, do you see him?
Ow, ow.
Okay. You've just got two of them on you. Let's walk around. Come on. Running out of battery.
Hi guys! Oh, look at the baby in the pouch. You see the baby?
They're pretty cool.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and well, peace out, and make sure to subscribe, comment, and like.